Jai Jinendra friends, how are you all? When the rainy season arrives, a soothing coolness and freshness spread all around. The cold winds, sweet sound of raindrops, and the greenery everywhere captivate the mind. In this weather, lying in bed and reading a book, sipping hot tea, or simply gazing out the window feels very enjoyable. But in this pleasant environment, the impact of acacia also increases. Acrasia, meaning a lack of willpower, describes a situation where we know what is right but still fail to make the correct decision. For example, during the rainy season, people who like to go jogging in the morning often use the rain as an excuse to stay in bed. Students spend time watching TV or chatting with friends instead of studying. Working professionals reach their workplace late or make excuses to work from home. This weather can affect our long term goals because the desire for immediate pleasure and comfort increases. It is important to understand and tackle the impact of acrasia. Acrasia is a Greek word that means weakness of will. It describes a situation where a person, despite knowing what is right, is unable to make the correct decision. It is related to a lack of self control, where an individual acts against their long term goals, prioritizing immediate gratification or comfort. How acrasia increases due to immediate gratification, lack of self control, lack of motivation, unclear goals. This all gives promotion to acrasia. Let's take an example. Suppose a student has to prepare for an exam but prefers playing video games. He knows that studying is important, but the immediate pleasure of playing video games distracts him from his long term goal. This situation is an example of acrasia. Example of acrasia in men. Let's take a young professional who wants to advance in his career. He knows he should take online courses to learn new skills. However, whenever he thinks about starting a course, he feels tempted to watch his favorite TV show. He knows that watching TV will not have any long term benefit, but the immediate pleasure makes him postpone the online course. This is an example of acrasia where he, despite knowing his long term goals, fails to achieve it. Let's take an example in women. For example, a lady is conscious about her health and knows that she should exercise regularly. Every morning she decides to go to the gym, but when morning comes, she decides to sleep a little longer. She knows that going to the gym will improve her health, but the comfort of staying in bed makes her change her decision. This is also an example of acrasia, where she, despite knowing her long term health goal, fails to prioritize it. Acrasia is a common human tendency, but it can be properly identified and managed. Self control, setting clear goals, and building positive habits are essential to dealing with acrasia. It is important to understand that achieving long term success and satisfaction may require sacrificing immediate pleasure. Now, guys, I would like to know what type of acrasias do you have. Just list down in the comment below so that we can know what kind of acrasias do you have so that we can come up with a solution for the same. You can even DM us in our Insta and Facebook pages. Just like, follow, and subscribe our pages and handles everywhere in social media so that we can come in touch and we can solve all the problems which you have in your life. One important note to all of you, we will be coming up with various videos on various different topics. So kindly like, share, and subscribe with your near and dear ones also, so that they can even take benefits of all this. Till then, Jai Jinendra.